Hi everyone and welcome to Sarasota Discovered. I'm Sarah Elizabeth Light, realtor here in Sarasota, Florida. At Sarasota Discovered, we're a little bit real estate and all things Sarasota. You can reach me at sarah@sarasotadiscovered.com or call or text 941-402-3837. On today's video, my husband and I recently did a little evening cruise down the intercoastal waterways of Sarasota. We launched the boat at the Turtle Beach boat ramp. We went north towards the Ringling Bridge, and we're going to show you a few little cool things along the way. So whether you like to kayak, paddleboard, if you're a Grady White, Chris Craft, Yellowfin, Pursuit, Boston Whaler guy or gal, come along and enjoy the ride. Siesta Key Water Sports. They offer parasailing, jet skis, rentals, dolphin tours, sunset cruises, whatever your likings, they offer it. So check them out. And also, if you're gonna check them out or you're interested, go to their website first. They have coupons. At the Safe Harbor Siesta Key Marina is a full-service marina, dry storage, up to 35 feet. Now what's really cool about this marina is they've partnered with 4 Oceans and they helped with skimming the oceans from all the trash. They've also partnered with Seabin. Seabin collects nearly 8,000 pounds of trash from our oceans every day. I'll link both of those organizations below if you want to check them out. Sarasota Bay Mooring Field is right off of Marina Jacks, downtown Sarasota. They have 85 mooring balls and can accommodate boats up to 80 feet in length. With their services, they offer access to showers and restrooms, fuel at the dock, potable water, Wi-Fi, pump out service, and they even have little docks to dock your dinghy. Their rate is $28 per day, or depending on the length of your haul, you can do monthly rentals of anywhere from $263 to $362 a month. Their website has all the information that you may need if that's something you're interested in. I'll link that below for you.
Hear 'em singing happy birthday. Better think about the wish I made. This year gone by and a piece of cake. Every day's a revolution. Pull it together and it comes undone. Just one more candle and a chicken down the sun.
you so much for cruising with us today. Any comments or questions, please link below. Again, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all soon.